Hi guys, and welcome to the final video submission for my tank game. So as you can see, we've added in a main menu UI where we can create and remove a player, so we can toggle between split screen, co-op and normal. It just takes us to the hub world, which I think was in the game before. And you've got the little UI element on the side, and you have the UI element in the selectors as well. So as you'll see when we get to the split screen stuff, they actually change size depending on whether it's split screen or not, because I was having some issues with keeping it all to the same size without like creating a second set of widgets. Or so we've just put a little event in that's like, if it's split screen, change the resolution scale to fit the new screen size. So this is the capture the point game mode. You can see the points light up when they're ready. We've got like how long the round's going to be. We've got the score going on. We've got the countdown time, and all the other stuff that we sort of demoed last year and demoed earlier in this semester. It's all sort of there. The level's quite small, but you know, it's quite easy to nip around in. It's the right sort of scale and size for the type of game. Yeah, you can see usually if you stop scoring points, and when you enter you do. So just wait for this one round to end. It doesn't really end until the next one begins. Yeah, cool. So as you can see, that goes through. So I'm just going to skip an end, and you can see the team scores of the end. So we can go to the hub and we can go to the main menu. It does say draw, but that's just because the other team isn't in. So if we go back to the main menu, we can then add in co-op and go through again. So the way the score screen's set up, essentially you need both teams in the game for it to work, because it runs off the two. But that's so you can make the change at any time. So if you wanted to add in like a custom team name or like a custom team or whatever, then it gives you the opportunity to do that, and it changes dynamically based on what team the tanks have saved as a variable. So we'll go through to wave survival this time as the co-op, and we'll go to the second map. So as you can see, we've got the whole one-on-one thing going on. The element now fits, or the UI element now fits. We have a round started. Some of the turrets don't really work. They did up until recently, and then they broke. But as you can see, we've got a little scoreboard on the side, which will update when you get a kill, and it'll update for this one as well. And then based on the end, at the end of the wave, it will see who's got the highest points, and then add them to the winning team. As you'll see in a second, this one still works, which is nice. Tanks can still sort of kill each other. If I could aim my tank. There's a nice little like a transition cam in there as well for the respawns. If you die and come back, you'll respawn in. It's pretty good. So if we just exit out of this one, you can see the kills and the scoreboard, and that was actually a draw because we both got 4 kills, which is what it's based off. And then we can return to the hub and go through it. So it sort of keeps within the loop, and obviously as you move around between levels and stuff, you keep all your tank data and your kills and your score from the last game for your upgrade systems and all of that sort of stuff. So yeah, thank you. Hope you enjoyed.